this mixture of vegetables: radish, spinach. What do you put in certain wrapper? Yes. Yeah, these are my vegetables. They are growing, guys. Look at the radish. So small. Baby radish. This is a baby radish. Baby radish. They are growing. This spinach. Yes, guys. I'm going to cook. Okay, let me washing or cleaning my vegetables. Oh my god, look how the birds destroyed this vegetable. Oh my god. Hey, they left nothing, guys, for me. Can you believe? Oh my god. These birds. My spinach. It's been long. I think they are trying. They need to be watered. I need to water my plants. I was away. Nobody watered them. My children don't have time for watering vegetables, I'm telling you. Okay, I'm going to water them. They are growing, guys. They are growing. If you remember where this spinach is coming from, let me remove this. This one, I remove this one. The yellowish one. The dead one. Yeah. If you remember where these spinaches are from. The spinach. Yeah. It's growing. This is a radish, I think. You see? It's a red there. They're coming well. They're growing well, guys. Yeah. I need to harvest my avocados. Other people have been harvesting. I haven't harvested them for myself. I need to start. They have tried. Others are big, others are small. Okay. I think I will harvest today. Yes. I think these roses are different. This one, hey, and this one. Different. Those are my sweet potato leaves. Okay, I'm getting water so that I can water my plants. Yes, less water. Even this one. I just harvested this mixture of vegetables: radish, spinach, potato leaves, what else, and wrap. Rapa. Yeah, it's written rapa, yes. Yeah, these are my vegetables. They are growing, guys. Look at the radish. So small. Baby radish. This is a baby radish. Baby radish. You see? They are growing. This spinach. Yes, guys. I'm going to cook. Okay, let me wash here. Let me wash. I'm at the tap. So, or cleaning my vegetables.